What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another one here at J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So yeah, guys, you see it. I wasn't gonna record this, but after this adventure, my wife told me go ahead and get this on camera because there is no videos on this process here. So I'm gonna show y'all what we did, what we're working with. All right, guys, so what you're looking at is a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Turbo Edition. And we're removing the starter. And the reason she wanted me to make this video so bad is because every video you see on YouTube, everybody is literally removing the intake manifold to do this job, or they're coming from the bottom. I don't know how they're doing that because I tried it every way I could and there's no way to do that. So the way we did it was, shout out to my brother Dave Howes, he's a brother from another mother. He was actually a technician out at Harrisonburg Hyundai in home city where I'm from here, and he was one of the main guys out there. He worked on these cars all the time, and he's the one that actually told me that basically you could remove the starter with just removing the throttle body, and then it'll give you enough room to get to the starter, and that way I wouldn't have to remove the whole intake manifold. So we tried it. It worked. Shout out to Dave. Appreciate you, brother. And yeah, guys. So
you had to remove the battery.
Had to remove the battery.
This hose.
Discharge. This is a. We got it bungeed up, the throttle body, but
right?
Yeah, it's a charge pipe. It comes off the intercooler.
And then this hose that came off the throttle body, so you can get to the 4 bolts.
Here's the hardware. There was 4 bolts that held on the throttle body.
10 millimeters.
10 millimeters, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We removed those bolts.
And 2, what were they?
And the 2 alternator bolts.
12.
They're 14 millimeters. We was able to get to them from up here. As you can see, there's one right there on the side of the transmission.
Yeah, they were 14s, right?
Yep, 14 millimeters.
Yeah. That's 13.5.
Maybe we'll try to get you some clips putting it back together so you got a better idea. I'm really sorry. Wish I would have started recording from the beginning, but I just didn't think about it. But yeah, guys, it wasn't easy, but it was a lot easier and half the work, I'm sure, than having to take that whole intake manifold off. So that was the way I was going to do it originally. I had already had it in my mind. Luckily, the wife reminded me about Dave, so hit Dave up and he came through. So just going to get ready to put this new starter on, and might give y'all a few clips of that. Be back with y'all. Probably the original one that came on the car. So we've got a 12 millimeter nut.
Yeah.
Pause.
Clip.
And then your clip. And guys, we actually freed the starter all the way up, and the wife was able to spin it around from up top to where we could get to that 12 millimeter nut right there. That is the power wire, basically. And then the other one's a signal, correct? I don't know about all that. But anyways, yeah, guys. So she was able to spin the starter from up top, standing above the car and looking down. And we zapped that nut off of there and unplugged that plug right there and got it out. So this one the same way, of course, as you can see. So yeah, boys, just gonna get this done. All right, guys, we got the power wire mounted, bolted down, tightened down, and did you get the plug? Yep. She's got it plugged in, as you can see. So now she's just about to maneuver it in here. So y'all can see, no cap. Really be done this way.
You might have to get from the bottom and help like watch it.
Okay, yeah. Second bolt to the starter, tightening it up. Y'all can see, it's not impossible like this. Got the new throttle body gasket in. You guys. In. Like so. First one in. All right, guys, there you have it. That's how you remove a starter from a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe without having to drop the intake manifold. You see it all back together. Wife's getting ready to start it. There it is. There it is, y'all. All right, boys. So there you have it. That's how you change a starter on a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. And I believe the Sonatas are the same way. But that's how you change the starter without having to drop the intake manifold, boys. Now, shout out to the big homie Dave, my homeboy for many, many years that was a technician out at the Hyundai dealership in my local hometown. He's the one that told me how to do this the right way, the easy way, the quick way. And he's the one that gave me the pointer, guys. So shout out to big homie Dave. I appreciate you, bro. It means a lot. You golden, man. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to put this video out there because all the videos I've seen on YouTube, everything I've pulled up on Google was guys were removing the intake manifold, and it was just a disaster. I mean, it's a big job for a little component. So yeah, boys, hopefully this video helps somebody else out and give somebody else, you know, an idea how to do it an easier way. And yeah, boys, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button. If you didn't enjoy it, hit the dislike. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's absolutely free, and it helps the channel like you wouldn't believe. So yeah, guys, until the next one, boys, we out.